Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Means World. So one more latest trending designing blouse on this already stitched blouse. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this design. I'd be highlighting the neckline first. For that, I'd be applying the glue broadly on the neckline to stick the pearl lace and the chain ball lace in this way. Now the markings would something like this. We need to mark the curve shape like this. This is the customized pattern. You can customize according to your requirement. This is how we have to give the curve shape marking, and on this marking I would be cutting right now. Using this as reference, we'll give the markings on the complete neckline. The shape something would look like this. From the center, I'd be placing it like this. This would be the first curve shape. Now I'd be turning this towards the wrong side. That means this curve shape has to be reversed and give the markings like this. So one after another we have to give the markings like once the one side marking is done, the same way reversing the curve shape to another side, we have to give the marking so that the complete blouse neckline markings will be done. And this is how it looks once the marking is done. Now I would be reversing here and giving the markings to another side. Now on this curve shape, I'd be applying the glue to stick the chain ball lace. Accordingly, I had already cut, and now I'd be placing this on the glue. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. The links, online links, has given in the description box. If you want, you can check it. Little by little apply the glue and then stick it. Otherwise, you're left with the oil stains on this blouse, which will really looks odd. The glue stains will not remove easily, so work it little by little, applying the glue. So this is how I stuck the complete chain ball lace on the neckline. Now I'd be using here 2 mm semi-circle gold metallic beads. At the ends of the corners of these curves, I'd be stitching in the shape of the flower. That means 3 and 2 on either sides. I'd be stitching these beads. Also simultaneously, I'll be giving an invisible stitches on this chain ball lace also on the neckline, which I have stuck with the 3 lines chain ball lace in the pearl lace. On that also I'll be giving an invisible stitches. 3 beads stitching is done. Now 2 beads to one side and 2 beads to another side, creating the flower shape. Also, I'd be giving an invisible stitches on the chain ball lace on this neckline. Now extending further this design, for that I'd be using drop shape frames of gold color. This is how it looks. I'd be sticking this on the curves, corners, also towards the centers on these curves. So maintaining the equal distance, we have to stick these drop shape kundan frame. These materials are available in different sizes and different shapes. Accordingly, your requirement, you can choose it. So like this on the complete neckline, I will be sticking these kundan frames of gold color. Now on those frames I would be sticking green color drop shape kundans, accordingly applying the glue. Now on the leftover space I would be applying the glue again. This is to stick leaf shaped gold frames of very small size. This is how on the leftover space on these curves I would be applying the glue to stick these frames. Now on the leftover gaps, I would be applying the glue dots to stick silver color kundans of small size, and on those leaf frames I would be sticking pearls of leaf shaped small size. Following these simple instructions step by step, it will make your work easy to do. Also, you can try this on already stitched blouses, or if you want to try this design on new blouses also, mark the neckline, follow these instructions. Also the same design which I tried on the neckline, that would be also try on the sleeve openings, so that it will match up to this neckline and the complete designing will be done. And on the leftover space on the gaps I would be sticking the same beads of 2 mm size semicircle with the kundan, and once completed the beautiful designer neckline would look like this. The leftover space on the sleeves also on the blouse would be carried with the kundans and the beads. The complete blouse would look like this. Really, this is so simple and easy. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to our Music Minds World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon